Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Sharif sir. Guys, as you are watching, there are some students with me and you can see the class is going on. So today some students have some topic to perform. So first of all, I would like to call Fawzia Naeem. So Fawzia Naeem, stand up and explain your topic, whatever you want to explain.
Hello everyone, my name is Fawzia from class 8. I am the student of Sharif sir. Today I am explain you tenses examples. Present indefinite example. He writes a letter. He does not write a letter. Does he write a letter? Does he not write a letter? Example of present continuous. He is writing a letter. He is not writing a letter. Is he writing a letter? Is he not writing a letter? Example of present perfect. He has written a letter. He has not written a letter. Has he written a letter? Has he not written a letter? Example of present perfect continuous. He has been writing a letter since morning. He has not been writing a letter since morning. Has he been writing a letter since morning? Has he not been writing a letter since morning? Example of past indefinite. He wrote a letter. He did write a letter. He did not write a letter. Did he write a letter? Did he not write a letter? Example of past continuous. He was writing a letter. He was not writing a letter. Was he writing a letter? Was he not writing a letter? Example of past perfect. He had written a letter. He had not written a letter. Had he written a letter? Had he not written a letter? Example of past perfect continuous. He had been writing a letter since morning. He had not been writing a letter since morning. Had he been writing a letter since morning? Had he not been writing a letter since morning? Example of future indefinite. He will write a letter. He will not write a letter. Will he write a letter? Will he not write a letter? Example of future continuous. He will be writing a letter. He will not be writing a letter. Will he be writing a letter? Will he not be writing a letter? Example of future perfect. He will have written a letter. He will not have written a letter. Will he have written a letter? Will he not have written a letter? Example of future perfect continuous. He will have been writing a letter since morning. He will not have been writing a letter since morning. Will he have been writing a letter since morning? Will he not have been writing a letter since morning? Thanks for listening me.
So guys, she was Fawzia Naeem or she was explaining the topic example of tense. So her performance was very good. So let's a big hand for Fawzia Naeem.